Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a post public on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and now you want to make your Facebook post public, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook app and here just tap on the menu option in the bottom right, then tap on your profile to open your profile page. Now from here you just have to scroll down and look for the post which you want to make public. Let's say I'm going to select this one, just tap on the three dots here, then tap on edit privacy. Now on this page, you just have to select the public option or the maximum option you have. So if you want to make or share this publicly, just select the public option here and your post will be published or it will not be private. Or if you're seeing this tab issue that your profile is locked, so you just have to go back and very first you have to try to unlock your profile. You can see that you have locked your profile. You must have to tap here, then select unlock option, and tap on unlock your profile. It will unlock your profile. So once you have unlocked your profile, just scroll down, look for the same post, tap on three dots, tap on edit privacy. Now just select public, then tap on save. So in this way, you can easily make any post public on your Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.